Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and Veklogo welcomes you. So today our topic is robbery. In this video we will be discussing the definition of robbery, examples and punishment for robbery. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe for more IPC related videos. So let's start our video. First of all, we will deal with the definition of robbery. Section 390 of the Indian Penal Code deals with the provisions of robbery. It says in all robbery there is either theft or extortion. Robbery consists of theft or extortion. When theft is robbery? Theft is robbery if in order to the committing of the theft, or in committing the theft, or in carrying away or attempting to carry away property obtained by the theft, the offender for that end voluntarily causes or attempts to cause to any person death or hurt, wrongful restraint, or fear of instant death or instant hurt, or of instant wrongful restraint. What happens in this case? In the case of theft, while the offender is taking away the property without the consent of the owner of the house, then if the owner come in front of the robber or the offender to stop the offender taking away that property, and then the offender voluntarily causes or attempts to cause any fear of instant death or instant hurt or instant wrongful restraint to the owner of that house, then robbery is committed. It is same as in extortion case. When extortion is robbery if the offender at the time of committing the extortion is in the presence of the person put in fear and commits the extortion by putting that person in fear of instant death, of instant hurt, or of instant wrongful restraint to that person or to some other person, and by so putting in fear induces the person so put in fear and there to deliver up the thing extorted, or the person who is already induced as the offender is extorted that person, he has put that person in fear and is committing extortion, and while committing extortion, if that person is put in fear of instant death or of instant hurt or of instant wrongful restraint, then the offender has committed robbery. And there are three fears that consist robbery. If three fears are not in the case or any situation, robbery is not committed. And now what are the three fears? The three fears are fear of instant death, fear of instant hurt, and fear of instant wrongful restraint. Now we will come to some examples. First example, A holds Z down and fraudulently takes Z's all the money and jewelries from Z's cloth without his consent. Here A has committed theft, and in order to the committing of that theft, he has voluntarily caused wrongful restraint to Z. A has therefore committed robbery. Second example, A meets Z on the high road or the highway. He shows a pistol and threatens Z and demands Z's purse. Z in consequence surrenders his purse or gives that purse to A. Here A has extorted the purse from Z by putting him in fear of instant hurt, and being at the time of committing the extortion in his presence, A has therefore committed robbery. And the last example, A obtains property from Z by saying that your child or your son or your daughter is in the hands of my gang, and he or she will be put to death unless you send us or give us rupees 10,000. This is extortion. This is the case of extortion and is punishable, but it is not robbery unless Z is put in fear of instant death of his child. Okay, now we will discuss the punishment for robbery. Punishment for robbery is defined in section 392 of the IPC. What it says? It says, whoever commits robbery, any person who commits robbery shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years, and he shall also be liable to fine. And if the robbery is committed on the highway between sunset and sunrise, be careful while reading the punishment for robbery. The both punishment are different. The first punishment is when that person or when the offender is committed or has committed robbery, he shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. And now the second part, if that robbery is being committed or has been committed on the highway between sunset and sunrise, then the imprisonment may be extended to 14 years. Now we will discuss the attempt to commit robbery. If someone attempts to commit robbery, then what is the punishment? It is given in section 393 of the IPC. Whoever attempts to commit robbery shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. I hope this video or this concept of robbery is clear to you all. If you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos, and if you have any doubt, please do comment. For then, stay safe. Thank you.